This bird has a black hard horn or topknot on top of its head. Its name is the Maleo bird, a bird endemic to Indonesia which is only found in the lowland tropical forests of the island of Sulawesi. They nest in exposed sand areas. Areas around volcanic beaches and warm areas from geothermal heat to lay their large eggs, up to 5 times the size of a chicken egg. After hatching, the Maleo chicks dig their way out of the ground and hide in the forest. Maleo chicks can fly right away, unlike most chicks. This is because the nutrients contained in Maleo eggs are 5 times that of ordinary eggs. Maleo chicks must find their own food and avoid predators.